Hi, this is Mike, and welcome back to our channel dedicated to all things health and wellness. Today we're diving deep into the incredible world of garlic, specifically exploring the amazing benefits of making it a part of your nightly routine. You might be thinking, garlic? Before bed? But trust me, incorporating this pungent powerhouse into your diet before you hit the hay can lead to some truly remarkable health transformations. Over the next few minutes, we'll be uncovering 10 powerful reasons why consuming garlic at night can revolutionize your health. From boosting your immune system's defenses while you sleep to promoting a healthier heart, and even enhancing your skin's natural glow, garlic is a true superfood that keeps on giving. We'll break down the science behind these benefits, explore the best ways to incorporate garlic into your evening routine, whether you prefer it raw, cooked, or in supplement form. So if you're ready to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you, simply by adding a little garlic to your life, then stick around. As we drift off to sleep, our bodies work tirelessly to repair and rejuvenate, and a robust immune system is key to this process. That's where garlic comes in. This pungent bulb is packed with a powerful compound called allicin, known for its impressive antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Think of allicin as your body's natural defense system, fighting off those pesky cold and flu viruses that love to attack when we're most vulnerable. By incorporating garlic into your evening routine, you're essentially giving your immune system a potent boost right before bedtime, allowing it to work its magic while you sleep soundly. Garlic also helps increase the activity of certain types of white blood cells, which are the warriors of your immune system, actively seeking out and destroying harmful invaders. This means that regular consumption of garlic can help reduce the severity and duration of common illnesses like colds, flu, and even chest infections. Whether you add it to your dinner, take a garlic supplement, or simply swallow a clove with some water, the benefits are undeniable. Start incorporating this incredible bulb into your nightly routine and experience the difference a little garlic can make. A healthy heart is essential for a long and vibrant life. Consuming garlic before bed can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Garlic helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It relaxes blood vessels, improving blood flow. This reduces strain on your heart. Garlic acts like a traffic controller, easing congestion. It also reduces LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. High LDL can lead to plaque buildup, increasing heart attack risk. Add garlic to your diet for better heart health. Inflammation. What does it really mean? It's your body's response to injury or infection. Chronic inflammation can lead to serious health issues. Garlic has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Allicin is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Regular garlic consumption fights inflammation. It can also help with pain relief. Consider adding garlic to your nightly routine. It's a natural way to promote well-being. In today's fast-paced world, getting a good night's sleep can often feel like an elusive dream. But what if I told you that a simple clove of garlic could hold the key to restful slumber? Garlic contains allicin, which has a calming effect on the nervous system. This can help reduce stress and anxiety, paving the way for peaceful sleep. Imagine garlic as a gentle lullaby for your mind and body. Garlic also helps regulate blood sugar levels. By stabilizing blood sugar, garlic promotes deeper, more restful sleep. Wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Our gut health plays a crucial role in our overall well-being, influencing everything from our immunity to our mood. And while we sleep, our digestive system works hard to process the day's food intake. Garlic can be a powerful ally in supporting this overnight digestive process. One of the key ways garlic aids digestion is by stimulating the production of digestive juices. These juices are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients effectively. Garlic also possesses prebiotic properties, meaning it helps nourish the beneficial bacteria that reside in our gut. By incorporating garlic into your nightly routine, you're not only supporting optimal digestion, but also promoting a balanced gut microbiome, which is essential for overall health and well-being. So if you're looking to improve your digestion, boost your gut health, and wake up feeling light and energized, consider adding garlic to your evening meals. It's a simple yet effective way to support your digestive system while you sleep and reap the rewards of a healthy gut. In today's world, we're constantly bombarded by free radicals. These unstable molecules are generated by everything from pollution and UV radiation to the food we eat and the stress we experience. Free radicals can wreak havoc on our bodies, damaging cells and contributing to premature aging and a wide range of diseases. But fear not, garlic is here to the rescue, armed with an arsenal of antioxidants. Antioxidants are like tiny warriors that neutralize free radicals, preventing them from causing harm. Garlic is particularly rich in a specific type of antioxidant called flavonoids, which are known for their potent free radical scavenging abilities. Garlic acts as a shield, deflecting these harmful invaders and protecting your cells from damage. By protecting our cells from oxidative stress, garlic also plays a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Incorporating garlic into your nightly routine is like giving your body a daily dose of protection against the damaging effects of free radicals. So make garlic a part of your evening meals and experience the antioxidant power of this incredible bulb. We all dream of a faster metabolism, especially when it comes to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. But what if I told you that consuming garlic before bed could actually give your metabolism a boost while you sleep? It might sound too good to be true, but garlic possesses thermogenic properties, meaning it can slightly increase your body temperature and calorie expenditure, even at rest. Garlic acts like kindling, helping to stoke the fire and keep it burning brighter, even while you sleep. This increased calorie burn can contribute to weight management and a healthier body composition over time. Garlic also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which plays a crucial role in weight management. When blood sugar levels are stable, our bodies are less likely to store excess glucose as fat. By incorporating garlic into your evening routine, you're helping to keep those blood sugar levels in check, even while you sleep. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support a healthy metabolism and achieve your weight management goals, consider adding garlic to your nightly routine. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is essential for overall health and well-being. For individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition, managing blood sugar is particularly crucial. The good news is that incorporating garlic into your nightly routine can be a powerful tool in achieving healthy blood sugar balance. One of the key ways garlic works its magic is by improving insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that helps our bodies use glucose for energy. When insulin sensitivity is impaired, our cells become less efficient at absorbing glucose from the bloodstream, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Garlic helps enhance insulin sensitivity, allowing our bodies to utilize glucose more effectively. Garlic also contains compounds that may help protect the pancreas, the organ responsible for producing insulin. By protecting the pancreas, garlic contributes to long-term blood sugar control and overall metabolic health. We all dream of waking up with clear, radiant skin. While a good night's sleep is essential for skin health, did you know that consuming garlic before bed can actually enhance your skin's natural glow? Garlic possesses powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a formidable opponent against acne-causing bacteria. Garlic is also rich in antioxidants, which help protect our skin from the damaging effects of free radicals, a leading cause of premature aging. By neutralizing free radicals, garlic helps maintain skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and promote a more youthful complexion. Furthermore, garlic's anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. Whether you suffer from acne, eczema, or simply want to give your skin an extra boost of radiance, garlic can be your secret weapon. Incorporating garlic into your nightly routine is like giving your skin a nightly beauty treatment. Imagine waking up with a complexion that's clearer, brighter, and more radiant than ever before. So, if you're looking to unlock your skin's natural beauty, consider adding garlic to your evening meals or taking a garlic supplement. Our bodies are constantly working to eliminate toxins and waste products. This detoxification process is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. While we sleep, our bodies go into repair and rejuvenation mode, and this includes detoxification. Garlic can be a powerful ally in supporting this overnight cleansing process. One of the key ways garlic aids detoxification is by supporting the liver, our body's primary detoxification organ. Garlic contains compounds that help stimulate liver enzymes, which are responsible for breaking down toxins and removing them from the body. Garlic also possesses diuretic properties, meaning it can help flush out excess water and waste products through urination. Incorporating garlic into your nightly routine is like giving your body a gentle cleanse while you sleep. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, brighter, and more energized, knowing that your body has spent the night efficiently eliminating toxins. So, there you have it, 10 powerful reasons to eat garlic at night for an ultimate health boost. From strengthening your immune system and protecting your heart to improving sleep, boosting metabolism, and even enhancing your skin, garlic is truly a wonder food. Incorporating garlic into your nightly routine is simple and delicious. Add it to your dinner, take a garlic supplement, or simply swallow a clove with some water. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. We're committed to helping you live your healthiest, happiest life.